To install the Apollo Group TV app on a Firestick, start by ensuring the device is plugged in and powered on. From the home screen, select the Settings option from the top menu, which may be labeled as My Fire TV or Device, depending on the Firestick version. Next, choose the Developer options and make sure the Apps from Unknown Sources feature is turned on. Then, navigate to the search icon. Type in Downloader and select the Downloader app from the search results to install it. Once the Downloader app is installed, open it and enter the URL for the Apollo TV app's APK file in the designated field. After the download is complete, an option to install the app will appear. Click Install and wait for the process to finish. Following installation, the Apollo Group TV app can be launched directly from the Downloader app or found in the Apps and Channels section. To begin using the app, log in with your credentials from the home screen, and you will be able to access your content. The installation process is now complete, and the app is ready to use.